struggle is real.
So this is our round 1. Done. Rate each flavor 1 to 10.
Honey glaze, 8 of 10. Garlic parmesan, 9 of 10. Sweet soy, 9 of 10. Smoky barbecue, 8 of 10. Garlic parmesan. Yes, it's so delicious and crunchy.
I like it all, but my favorite is smoky barbecue.
So rate each flavor 1 out of 10. 10 being the highest.
For me, smoky barbecue is 10 out of 10. X is sweet soy, 8 out of 10. Next is honey glaze, 8 out of 10.
So far, what is your favorite?
My favorite is garlic parmesan because it has this salty flavor that I would rate this honey glaze. It would be 8 out of 10 because it's sweet and I don't really like sweet. Garlic parmesan, of course, 10 out of 10. Sweet soy, 7 out of 10. And smoky barbecue, 8 out of 10.
Korean.
Why?
Because I like spicy, you know. Chili cheese, 9 out of 10. And cheesy Korean, 8 out of 10. Then hot Korean, that's my favorite, but I rate 9 out of 10.
How about classic New Yorker?
9 out of 10.
So the only flavor that I ate is chili cheese because I can take the spiciness of the other flavor. So if I would critic the chili cheese, it would be 9 out of 10 because it's salty and I like it.
My favorite is chili cheese and hot Korean.
Why?
Korean is the second to the spiciest flavor. Yes. I like spicy foods. That's why I like the hot Korean.
Can you rate each flavor?
Hot Korean, 9 of 10. Classic New Yorker, 9 of 10. Chili cheese, 10 of 10. Cheesy Korean, 10 of 10. Yes, thank you.
So guys, what can you say about Chicken Studio?
It's delicious and it's affordable and it's worth it. Worth the
Yes.
price.
Family bag.
But the place itself is so small.
And
Yeah, it's kind of small. It can accommodate larger number of people. We had to wait just for us to get inside. Also, they only offer one parking space there.
In front of their restaurant.
Also, the crew was friendly.
Yes.
The crew, even the cashier, they're accommodating. They're accommodative.
Yes. And the food itself is so flavorful. I really like it.
And
So all in all, what is your favorite flavor? For me, garlic parmesan was the best among all of the flavors that I've tasted.
for me, it is
For me, my favorite is
smoky barbecue.
my favorite is
Smoky barbecue.
My favorite is smoky barbecue. My favorite is smoky barbecue. My favorite is smoky barbecue.
Smoky.
For me, my favorite is hot Korean and smoky barbecue. Yes, that's
How about you?
My favorite is garlic parmesan. Yeah, that's what I've said. It's salty.
How about you? All in all, what is your favorite?
My favorite, all in all, is chili cheese. Yes.
So if we're going to rate the place, for me it's 7.5 actually. It's good. There's a logo, but not very noticeable. Especially when this part of this parking lot is crowded with cars, you can easily notice the chicken studio. But it's still a nice place, so I'll give it a 7.5 for the place. For the accommodation, I'll give it a 9. For the food, all in all, the food is 9.5. Yeah. How about you?
Place.
place. For me, I rate for place is 8 out of 10, and their food so very nice and good. So good siya, worth it.
How about you?
So, if I would rate the place, it would be 8 over 10 because we have to wait for a minute so that we can reserve a table, and then the crews itself are friendly. So for the food, it's 9 over 10 because the honey glaze flavored thing is new to me.
I rate the place 7.5. Accommodation 9, and the food is 9.5.
It actually was a good bonding for us. There's so many topics that had been opened up and talked about.
Yes.
What more? Can you add more?
We laughed. We laughed for an hour because of Shirley.
So, can you share the experience when you had to find this place? The struggles finding this place.
It's hard
Struggle
actually.
is real.
It's hard actually because it's hot. The climate is hot and we have to walk.
And guys, a little trivia. Before it was named Chicken Studio, it was actually named Crazy Chicken.
Crazy chicken.
Yeah.
And it has been serving foods for about 8 years now, according to the crew that
We've interviewed.
Yes.
Di pa tapos kay Cassie. I-denote namin mo siya tapos baka ano pa sabihin niya. Cassie, hindi ka muna papasok sa school. No, don't. Huwag mo na akong pigilan, Cassie. You do not the liar is my fake. Is the Cassie fake? Idri siya mukhang dami. Is this my liar? Is the make? Is the fake in my life? Oo, Cassie. Oo, Margaret. Di ako. You do not the notes. The notes.